Hey guys, this is Calvin. This is my excavator here. It's a TB180FR Takeuchi. It works great, or it did, for 4 hours or so, and I'm having some engine problems getting it started. I hope to take a video of the problem, and maybe someone can either help me figure it out, or when I figure it out, I will make an update to this video so you guys can so if someone else has problems like this, hopefully this will help them. But anyways, what I tried, or what I noticed, is that when I turn the key, fuel's coming out of the injector lines, which I loosened so there's no air in the fuel. I made double check, triple check sure that, and so it'll run good for 30 or 45 seconds with starter fluid. It'll start up, and then it'll de-idle down to like 300 or 400 RPM, way below where it should be, and it'll shake the whole machine. And it's like the fuel injector pump is starving the engine of fuel, and I'm not sure where, because this is all electronic throttling. It's got some governor thing down here. So anyways, here's a video of the engine working. Don't touch it. So that's the problem. Can't figure out why it's doing that. We didn't touch any throttle or anything. It just did it by itself. So if anyone's got any ideas, please let me know. Comment below, or I will do an update on this video when I figure this out. So I hope this helps someone. Thanks.